Dear guests, now we are in Rӯдакӣ Park, and Rūdakī Park was reconstructed in 2007 by the order of our President, His Excellency Imam Ali Rahman. And in the Rūdakī Park, we have the monument of Rūdakī, who was the founder of Tajik Persian classical literature. He was born in the northern part of Tajikistan in Penjikan city and died there. And about 10 or 17 years, he was like a ruler of the National Library of Samanid Empire during that time, because he was invited by the emir of the Samanid Empire to the Bukhara, where he spent most of his life. But at the end, he spent the last time of his life in his hometown in Penjikan city or in Panjgud. And from Rūdakī we have about 1,000 verses, but he wrote a lot, but some of them lost, depends of the Mongolian conquest, Timurids conquest, like this. And now the books which preserved from Rūdakī called Complaints About Old Age, Mother of Wine, Simbod Noma, and also Kalila and Dimna. He translated Kalila and Dimna from the Indian language to the Persian language. And why Rūdakī considered like a founder of Tajik Persian classical literature? Before him, we had another poet, but he started to write all his books, all his contribution in Persian, not in Arabic or in another language or alphabet. And from Rūdakī, I want also to tell a poem. He said, هیچ شادی نیست اندر این جهان برتر از دیدار روی دوستان. هیچ تلخی نیست بر دل تاختر از فراق دوستان پرهنر. In English it said like, there is no happiness in the world greater than friends meeting. There is no sadness to our heart greater the absence of good friends. Wow. That's all about Rūdakī.